Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Samsung Smart TV. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So it's very easy to go ahead and reset your Samsung Smart TV. On your remote, go ahead and locate the menu button and go ahead and press that. So mine's right in the menu. So once the menu option does show up here, go down to support. I'm going to go ahead and press down and go to support here. Now under support, let's go to the right and then go to self-diagnosis. Select this. Now under here, you'll see an option to reset your TV. So let's go ahead and select this. And all factory settings will return to factory defaults except for the network. So let's go ahead and select reset. Now when this PIN number does pop up here, just go ahead and type in 0000 if you haven't changed the PIN at all. And this will allow you to get past this screen. And then you can go ahead and reset your TV to the factory defaults, except the network settings. You will have to reset the network settings yourself or disconnect and forget your network to go ahead and reset that. So let's go ahead and go to yes and reset our TV. So my TV is going to go ahead and restart, and it should be reset when it begins up again. So if this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help tips coming up next on Your Six Studios.